Okay. So, hi everyone. In today's session, I have Mridula Karve, who is one of my students who learned graphology my entire course from basic to advanced. And the thing which I really would love to share is her achievement that she has taken her first drawing analysis batch. So it's a very proud moment as a teacher to see your student grow and start something on their own. So I have invited her to give her experience and share her experience with us as what her journey has been. So Mrudula, thank you so much for coming in and being comfortable with sharing your journey, your experience with me. So firstly, I would just want you to introduce yourself as to what do you do and your work in general.
Thank you for inviting me, Sonal. Hello, hi everyone. I'm Mridula Karve. I'm a mother of twins and a proud wife of an Air Force officer. I'm a graphologist now, drawing analyst and logo designer and analyst. And I'm very happy to share my journey about this graphology thing. Uh, Initially, I'm a very spiritual person, so I was interested in all subjects. Like those fascinates me, and I'm curious to know about what happens, like say numerology, astrology, and graphology was one of them. So I thought of learning graphology, and I just did the basic course. And then firstly I felt like I should work on myself. Like I need a therapy, I need to work on myself, so I'll try and help others. Because initially I had many problems, health issues, some low self confidence, and lot many things. So then I took therapy and started working on myself. And then I realized, yeah, we need to help people, but first we need to help ourselves. So then I
True.
came across Sonal. I just heard about her courses and all that. And in spite of doing so many other courses, I felt like joining her course, doing her course. Like you'll laugh at me, but her face was something like I felt she is kind of an angel to me. I don't know. We connected on the first this thing. So I did all her courses, like basic, advanced, drawing, signature, all the courses, and I'll do n number of courses whenever she starts or launches a new course. Uh, I would say that we connected so much. Her teachings, the way she handles the students, the way she puts in her heart while teaching the course or helping her students to grow is simply amazing. I mean, I have never seen, I've learned from lot many people who have been stalwarts in this subject for quite some time. I mean, years rather, I would say. But the way she teaches, the organized manner, the notes she provides, them manuals, I mean, whatever she shares the notes and all that, that is so neat and clean and organized that anyone can, if they get her notes, they will learn and they'll be expert in this subject. I'm serious about this, and I would definitely recommend all of them that you must learn from her. This is what I would suggest. Yeah.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. That was unexpected. But thank you so much. And I'm really happy that your experience has really been wonderful and you've used it. That's the best thing that you learned and you used it. And I still remember you starting also with signature, or you started with drawing and then signature, and
Joint
then you
signature. Yeah. Together
took
had
the,
stuff.
yeah, took the whole course. So I am very happy to have you as a student and see you grow so well. Now, one thing which I did do notice, and there is one doubt which people do have when they're new to the field, and it's best to always understand a student's perspective, right? So, what people always tell me is that when they learn graphology, should they start practicing from the next day? Okay, should they be? Will they be immediately capable to just analyze next day or teach next day? So this is one thing which I constantly get, and I personally know the answer to it. But coming from a student's point of view will help them get more clarity about it. So what is your view on it?
I personally feel that you can't become you can't become master in any subject immediately the next day. See, we've been doing our studies also. We've done so many. We've had our graduation also. The next day, you can't expect like you'll get a job or you'll work and you'll excel and you'll grow. It's not that. In particularly in graphology, it is all about knowing a mind of a behavior of a person, and which is very difficult to know about a person. So you need to focus on that. You need to go through your notes. You need to analyze hundreds, thousands of samples. I'm into this field for 4 years now, but still I'm analyzing, still I'm practicing, still I go through the notes every day. Some or the other, some trait, I decide, okay, I'll go through that trait. I take samples. I take the previous samples. I repeat and analyze those samples. So definitely you need to practice. It's not just a one day this thing. So yeah, definitely, because still after doing this for 4 years, still I'm practicing. Still I'm sometimes, yeah, I feel no, I don't know anything. Or so I take advice from Sonal. So it's not that completely you become an expert in this, any subject rather. It's not particularly about graphology. It can be any subject. Yeah.
Yes. That is actually so true. And this can come from a person who's experienced it and, really knows the subject and has really given their 100% to the subject, because it's true. You need to practice it. You are trained well. And more than me telling you, I can say one thing, that after learning the course, you can definitely analyze. So, Mridula, what is your take in it? Because after you do the course, when you did my course, were you able to do analysis after the course? Any form of analysis?
Yeah, definitely, I would say, because frankly speaking, I had done 2, 3 previous courses in basic. I had done basic courses, but after doing the course, also I was feeling incomplete. I mean, I was not able to analyze it properly. There was some lack of maybe the teaching, or maybe I haven't understood, or some problem.
Hmm.
So I felt that I need to work on it. I need to do some other courses also.
Hmm.
And then I joined your course, and definitely I would say the teaching is the important part which plays in when you're learning anything.
Yes.
See, you need to connect with your teacher. The connection between the student and teacher is very important, so that makes you updating your skills, or maybe you can learn things faster. So after doing your course basic, just signature, I did your
Yeah.
signature and drawing first.
Hmm.
I thought, let me try first signature and this thing before going on from basic and advanced course. But after learning signatures, I was amazed that my skills were so developed, and I could analyze easily, I mean, signatures and all that. Before that, seriously, I was not that good at analyzing. I used to just pick up one thing and work on that, but that never gave me that
Hmm.
perfect analysis which the person was expecting from me. So after doing this course, then I thought of doing your basic and advanced
Hmm.
course. I felt no, she's the perfect teacher from me, and now I should learn from her. So I connected well with you, and definitely I love the way you taught us. And
Thank
so
you so much.
patiently you handled everything, patiently you answered all our queries, and that was great. I mean, great. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And I'm really happy to know this. Now, there is this one question, because investing, right? When people put their money and time into something, they always want to know if it's worth it. So I would want to know personally from you, that when you invested in my courses, do you feel that it's all worth it and it's something that people should also think of?
Definitely it's worth it, because I have my own this thing. I learned, I would not name the person, but I have learned from a person, and that person was we heard that that person was very good at giving therapies and all that. And we met that person, and she said, okay, I'll teach you everything. I mean, whatever the international course also, or the USA international
Yeah,
course.
yeah. I heard about that.
So we were thrilled that, okay, we are not investing so much in this course, and still we are getting that
Hmm.
US kind of this thing,
Yeah, yeah. Huh.
whatever knowledge. So we asked her the fees. So Billy, she charged us 75,000 for that thing.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I know
And
what you're talking about.
yeah. And we were like, okay, because myself and my friend, we both did together. And what we were taught were like, kindergarten mein jo sikhate hai, like you read a book and she'll
Yes.
just explain.
Huh.
So we both were reading the notes and she was, ha, samajh mein aa gaya? Okay, fine, go ahead.
Oh.
And she was going to give us the knowledge about the medical graphology also.
Hmm.
How can we identify problems,
Yeah.
health issues and all that regarding that person. But we learned nothing. We wasted our 4 months in that, and now we are still repenting why we paid 75,000 for that course. We didn't get the certification kind of a thing,
Hmm.
and still, and somehow I don't know. This is too personal, but she manipulated so much that my friend and my relation was also spoiled in that course of it.
Oh,
So this was a major this thing for me,
that's not good. Yeah, yeah.
setback. So I was very hurt, and so to believe a person was a great challenge for me. But
Yeah.
after doing course with you, I know people just want to earn money meant through doing this all this thing, but no one is so like what I would say is dedicated or devoted in teaching to that subject particularly. But you were so dedicated and so this thing. So in spite of spending, seriously, believe me, in spite of spending 75,000 on that course, I enrolled for your course.
Hmm.
And it's worth it. Seriously, it's worth it. Because kabhi, I mean, it has so happens that you are stuck, you're learning, you're dependent on your husband,
Hmm.
and you feel okay, we are doing something and wasting money. Aise nahi hona chahiye. That is
True.
there. But
Hmm.
after doing your courses, I never ever felt that I've wasted a penny, I would say. Seriously. I
Wow.
mean, yeah.
That is a very good achievement, honestly, to hear, because that's one thing people are always skeptical about. Should I invest this much amount? What if it goes for
Please
waste?
don't think about it. I would suggest them, if जो भी कोई
Yeah.
सुन रहा है, please do it. इतना भी नहीं है जितना मैंने खर्च किया है. I have spent, it's nothing. I mean, so definitely I would recommend that they do course from that.
Thank
It's
you
worth it.
so much. It really, really means a lot, and I'm very sure it will help a lot of people to, after listening to this. Because see, as a trainer or when you are taking inquiries, the feeling that you have is obviously, the trainer will say it's a good thing. But when they hear it from a student who's experienced it, it makes a huge difference. So I am very grateful that you shared this experience with you. That also requires a lot of courage because people are not okay to,
I am very this thing because see, I myself believe I'm a very organized and this person. I am loyal. I can't be dishonest to anyone. So I expect this from people who do it. And if they are like disloyal and dishonest or something like that, then I feel very bad about it, frankly speaking. So I felt very bad. We are paying so much and we are getting nothing out of it. Okay. So that makes you that it's a hard earned money
Yeah.
after all for everyone.
Hmm.
So you shouldn't do it like that.
Hmm.
And other than that also she spoiled our relationship also. So that was something really that was a very bad experience for me, like.
Yeah,
So
that is, and I've heard a lot of such experiences from a lot of my students. So yes, so investing 75 in a course is a lot of amount.
also,
And I understand that feeling because, as I told you, that I have also learned from a lot of people and spent lakhs. Okay. So when I have my courses, like a course starting from 3,000, if I see one of my minimum courses starting from 3,000, though I am planning to launch a new set of courses still for people who are new to the subject and cannot afford to pay 3,000 also. So that launch will come in soon. But somewhere I always felt that I know what I'm giving in, but to convince people becomes difficult. So hearing from your personal experience, I'm sure will help someone, because the entire course which I offer from basic to advanced is 27,000. It's So that's the deal, and it's the entire course. There are parts to it. There are ways that you can choose for yourself. So I'm happy that you're using it and making use of it in such a way that it's helping others also, right? So
Like to
I'm
say one more
very
thing
grateful.
also,
Yes.
that those who enroll or those who want to do this course, like especially ladies, I would say females,
Hmm.
sometimes it's for them, it's like they want to become independent or they want to do something in life. Okay.
Yes.
So they feel whatever we invest and we get some output out of it and we can work on it and earn something in
Yes.
future, right? So definitely
Yes.
after working with you, learning from you, I could start my own journey. So that was,
Hmm.
I felt ki, okay, whatever I have invested, now I have achieved something out of it. It may not be like immediately I
Hmm.
start earning in lakhs and crores, that
Hmm.
kind of a thing. But at least I could do something. I could achieve what was my dream, and I could achieve that. That's the best thing. The feeling is there. So anyone who is enrolling for that, for looking out for that, this thing, then definitely please learn it from Sonal. She'll make you an expert and keep you guiding always.
Thank you so much. This will definitely build a lot of confidence in people. Now, just one last question, which I'm going to ask you, that you have finally gotten into teaching and training. So, congratulations on your first batch. I know how it feels, when you get that first batch, you are one nervous, excited, and you want to really give in like 100%, and it's a very different feeling. So, first, congratulations on that. And how was your experience from changing from a student to a trainer? Okay.
Experience that made me so confident about my skills, myself rather. And I used to observe you, the way you teach and all that,
Hmm.
and I adapted that in my teaching as well.
Oh,
So it helped me definitely. And I would be proud to say that for my first batch, I got 14 students.
wow.
So that was
Congratulations.
something. And the way, I mean, see, it's not about what you teach, it's about observing your teacher and learning other things also.
Hmm.
The confidence, the way you put yourself in front of, how you handle the students. So that also I have learned. It's not just about graphology, but other things also you tend to learn in this process.
Yes.
Okay, so I have learned that, I've adapted in my daily this thing. And I had put a nice course, this thing, so which helped me getting so many
Hmm.
students. Okay,
Yes.
40 students for your first batch is
It's a
really
very good thing.
commendable.
Yes,
So
yes.
I'm really very happy.
Wow. So it feels really good to see your students grow in the subject. You realize that you've taught well and you've helped them well in the journey. So thank you so much for giving that feeling also. Okay. So I am very grateful to you for that, because these experiences that you all have as a student helps me also to build confidence, right? Because you start realizing a lot of things about yourself also, that yes, it's going in the right direction. So I am very grateful for that, and I'm really very grateful for you to remove time and be so honest about your journey, your experience in this interview. It really means a lot to me. So thank you so much for sharing this, and I wish you more success, more growth. And yes, if I am going to launch any other new courses, I will definitely update you, which you can think of getting into. So thank you so much, Mrutula, for sharing your experience. It really means a lot, and I'm sure that it's going to help a lot of people who are still skeptical, who are still trying to figure out if they really want to take in, not take in, and can this learning help them to be independent? And all these doubts you've cleared
Definitely
really well.
independent and do their own this thing. I can assure that to them. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much for showing so much of confidence in me. So, yes. So these were the doubts that people commonly have, and I wish and hope that these doubts have been clear to most of the people who are watching this video, because this is Mrudula. She has been my student since a year now, and this is her journey. that she has shared today with us and her personal experience in the field and how her ups and downs have been. So thank you so much, Mridula, once again, and I thank everyone who's watching this video. So I will see you guys in the next video. To know any details about the course, you can click on the link in my bio. It has all the details of our courses. You can join in the courses directly from the link too. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, please be safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye.